Intermittent fasting can have several potential drawbacks or risks for certain individuals. So the first is nutrient deficiencies. So depending on the specific fasting protocol followed, there's a risk of not consuming enough essential nutrients, particularly if the fasting period is prolonged or if meals are not well balanced. And this can lead to deficiencies in vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. Number 2, there's a potential risk of disordered eating. So intermittent fasting may trigger disordered eating behaviors in susceptible individuals, leading to an unhealthy relationship with food, obsession over fasting periods, or binge eating tendencies during non-fasting periods. A third potential drawback is hormone imbalance. So intermittent fasting can affect hormone levels, including insulin, cortisol, and thyroid hormones. While intermittent fasting may improve insulin sensitivity in some individuals, prolonged fasting periods or excessive calorie restriction can disrupt hormone balance, potentially leading to metabolic issues or irregular menstrual cycles in women. Intermittent fasting may have adverse effects on mood and energy, so some people may experience irritability, mood swings, fatigue, or decreased energy levels while fasting, especially during the initial adjustment period. These effects can impact daily functioning and quality of life. A fifth drawback is the risk of overeating during feeding windows. So some individuals may overcompensate for fasting periods by consuming excessive calories or unhealthy foods during feeding windows, which can negate the potential benefits of intermittent fasting and lead to weight gain or other health issues. The sixth risk of intermittent fasting is the potential impact on muscle mass. So extended fasting periods or inadequate protein intake during feeding windows may contribute to muscle loss, especially if combined with regular intense exercise. Maintaining muscle mass is important for overall health, metabolism, and physical function. And lastly, intermittent fasting is not suitable for everyone. Intermittent fasting may not be appropriate for certain populations, such as pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with history of eating disorders, people with certain medical conditions, or those taking certain medications. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any fasting regimen, especially if you have an underlying health concern. While intermittent fasting can offer benefits for some individuals, it's essential to approach it with caution and consider individual health status, lifestyle factors, and personal preference. Moderation, balance, and mindful eating habits are key to maintaining a healthy relationship with food and achieving sustainable results.